One of the main goals of the New Brunswick Housing Strategy 2019 to 2029 is to increase the supply of affordable housing units and provide rent subsidies to low-income households. According to the strategy document, the government plans to invest $72 million to create 1,262 new affordable mixed-income units in partnership with the private and nonprofit sectors. Of these units, 922 will be allocated to individuals, families, and seniors in housing need, 300 will be dedicated to homeless people, and 40 will be reserved for victims of intimate partner or family violence. The strategy also aims to extend the operating agreements of nonprofit and cooperative housing providers and allocate $2.7 million to renovate emergency shelters, transition houses, and second-stage housing buildings. Another component of the strategy is to provide rent subsidies to low-income households through the Canada New Brunswick Housing Benefit, which was launched in June. This benefit is a joint initiative between the federal and provincial governments that will help nearly 6,700 families across the province receive rental support of up to $300 per month for 4 years. The benefit is targeted to households with incomes below $30,000 who are paying more than 30% of their income on rent. The benefit is also designed to be portable, meaning that recipients can move to another rental unit and keep receiving the subsidy. The New Brunswick Housing Strategy claims that these measures will help address the housing affordability crisis in the province and improve the quality of life of its residents. However, some critics argue that the strategy is not enough to meet the growing demand for affordable housing and prevent rent gouging by landlords. Tenant advocacy groups have been calling for a rent cap legislation that would limit how much landlords can increase rents each year. They say that rent control is necessary to protect tenants from double-digit rent increases and prevent homelessness. However, the minister responsible for housing, Jill Green, said that no rent cap legislation can be introduced until at least October 2023, after the current session of the Legislative Assembly ends. She said that the government is looking at all options and legislation as part of the housing strategy, but that it needs more time to consult with stakeholders and develop a comprehensive plan.